This is Sachin CS, who has recently got placed, and I have to say something about the Jspiders. That is like, I have to say it was a great experience with the Jspiders because, like when I joined, I did not had any idea about what I'll be learning, what I have to do, and all. So when I got there, I got to know everything about the course and all. So I started learning there. And about the feedback, if I have to give, I can say that great Jspiders is a great place for a guy who wants to learn something new from the scratch. They can surely go here. And the trainers out here are fully experienced and know how to teach students who knows literally nothing. Because even though a guy who doesn't know anything, they can join here. And for me, being a non-IT guy, I can say that even a guy, if you are a non-IT guy, you can surely join it and learn. Learn something new from the scratch. And if I have to say something about the HRs, they are like too nice and are friendly and like give you the response whenever that is needed. And if I have to say about placement and requirements, you'll be getting it regularly. Until you are like eligible for that, until you are like completed your course and have done your mark, you'll be getting the requirements and placements. The thing is, they will surely provide you the opportunity. The only thing that you have to do is to grab that opportunity. Okay. And lastly, I have to say that nothing else. I have to say that apart from like learning things here, it's better to like if you are a student and if you're a student and if you're like hearing this testimony, it's better for you to improve your communication skills because that's what matters in the interviews and all. Thank you.